In this month's news, a potential alternative to donor corneas is hiding in your seafood aisle. A living eye drop that doesn't wash away, and new data suggesting retinal cells may have a second chance. Plus, a new IOL that utilizes AI to automatically adjust for all the distances. All that and more on SightByte News, where eye care meets headlines with 2020 flair. First up, corneal implants from fish scales. Researchers at the University of Granada are testing fish scale-derived biomaterials as a potential scaffold for corneal repair. And surprisingly, it works. The processed scales are transparent, mechanically stable, and biocompatible, with promising results in early lab and animal studies. Plus, they're collagen-rich, low-cost, and widely available, basically turning seafood waste into surgical potential. If it holds up, this could offer a scalable alternative to donor corneas, hook, line, and transplant. From fish scale corneas to eye drops that don't wash away in the next blink, researchers at the University of Pittsburgh School of Medicine have engineered a so-called living eye drop using a naturally occurring ocular surface bacterium to continuously secrete anti-inflammatory IL-10. Published in Cell Reports, the preclinical study showed faster corneal healing in mice, essentially turning the microbiome into a drug delivery system that sticks around. It's early days, but if it translates, this could flip the script on topical therapy. Moving on to cataracts, new research from UC Irvine suggests that even tiny chemical tweaks in crystalline proteins can set the stage for lens opacity decades in advance. The culprit? Subtle oxidative changes that make otherwise stable proteins just a bit stickier, leading to aggregation over time. So while the lens may look clear clinically, the chemistry could already be drifting off course. It's a small molecular shift with a very big downstream effect. And in retina news, a new study from the University of Michigan, published in Cell Death and Disease, suggests photoreceptors may not be as doomed as we once thought. Researchers found that even after apoptotic signaling begins, photoreceptor cells can recover if the underlying stress is removed. The secret sauce? Mitochondrial cleanup, specifically mitophagy, helping cells ditch their bad batteries and stabilize. It's early data, but the implication is big. Apoptosis might not be the point of no return, and retinal rescue could still be on the table. And finally, the IOL that refuses to commit. A new smart intraocular lens claims to automatically adjust its power post-implantation using AI and microsensors, responding in real time to patient visual needs. Distance, near, intermediate, it decides for you. No more enhancements, no more trade-offs, just one lens to rule them all. Early reports say it even adapts to night driving and screen use, which sounds like every ophthalmologist's dream. Unfortunately, it's also completely made up. Happy April Fool's Day. I'm Diana Jung, and that's a wrap for this edition of SightByte News. Stay sharp, stay focused, and stay in the loop with more eye-popping updates on Mice TV. Got a juicy story or a hot take? Drop us a comment below.